Okay, so welcome to Career Compass. This we are already in the folder for the project, and we are going to run the main module of this project, which is app.py with Python command. So when we run this command, we get three options. First is to scrape fresh data, which will pull all the 10 different job titles, and it is very time-consuming process. But that is an option in our file. The second option that we get is to scrape sample data. It will ask us to give a job position and the experience level for that job position to scrape the data from. This is fairly short process. This is just for the demo purpose. And the third option is to continue with existing data that has been already scraped and visualize everything about all 10 job titles. So for this demo purpose, we'll go forward with the second option, which is scrape sample data. Now it is asking us the job title that we want to scrape the data for. We'll put any one job title from this. For example, here we'll put product manager. Now it will ask us the experience level that we want the data to be scraped for. We'll put mid-level. Now it has started scraping data for Indeed, and there's a progress bar which will give us what is the progress of the Indeed scraping and how many jobs are remaining, what is the total percentage of completed scraping. So for this demo purpose, we are scraping only 3 pages for Indeed. Now, after the Indeed scraping, we will merge all the data, all the job data into one single file when we scrape this data for all positions and all experience levels. And after that, we'll use the API to call locations for every job, and we'll get the geolocations and its related data about locations. After that, we'll use regex to go through skills and find out the important keywords for it, and we'll use this later in the dashboard. And we'll fetch the H1B data, sponsorship data for the same job position. When this process is completed, we'll go into the Career Compass dashboard, which is hosted on Streamlit. Here we have details about the project and about the team, and whatever the data links that we have used is also listed here. When we go to H1B visa dashboard, here we have only one product manager position listed down, as we have scraped only data for product manager. If we have all the data available here in the drop down, we'll see all the job positions listed down. And this graph shows us the top 10 companies that are sponsoring visas for that particular job position. For the job locations, we have two types of plots. One is heat map and another is scatter plot for every position. So this will show us the locations at which these jobs are prominently available. Next section is for skills. So this again has filters of job title, the experience level for that particular job title, and relevant skills. This will again show us the top 10 skills that are appearing into job descriptions, and a word cloud generated out of it below this plot. In the salary data, we have filters of the job position and experience level again. As this is a fairly small data, we don't have uh, exact bifurcation of salaries here, but we'll see in the complete data that it has complete data for all these salary distributions. For the US government jobs that we scrape, this is a different data set, and here we have shown the availability of number jobs in those particular departments. So this is the count of jobs available in the in every department, and these are the top 10 list. This is the list of top 10 jobs. Now we'll look at the option third that gives us the dashboard for complete data, which has been already scraped. So for that, we'll stop this application and run the app.py again. Here we'll select 3 to continue with existing data. Now it will directly go to the dashboard where we have every job title listed that we have mentioned in the data scraping earlier. So for all the dashboards, we can see in the drop down. For the drop down, we have all job positions listed and similar data as I've just explained uh, in the format. So as this is the complete data, we can see a more comprehensive visualizations. This is the complete data for business analysts, and we can see that the heat map generated over United States shows that the locality around New York is more for the business analyst jobs. So we can visualize all the job positions accordingly. And here, as we can notice, for all the job titles, we have different three levels of experience levels that have been listed that we could not see previously as we scrape only for one experience level. But we can see the differentiation between the skills as well here. And depending upon the job title, we can see the bifurcation of skill type here between skills, tools, languages, and so on. And the plots and word cloud will dynamically generate for all this data. For the salary data, again, we can see that all the salary ranges have been visualized. And uh, for the senior level, again, salary between 125K and above has been visualized properly. This is the complete data of five job positions for government jobs. Here we can see the availability of number of jobs that are into government departments and the count of top 10 departments that these job positions are available in. That's all. Thank you for listening.